Hey, third graders, today we have a quick quiz, and I will help out with a couple of clues, just like I would if you were in the classroom. And then if you could do as much as you can on your own, that would be awesome. So, fun thermometer for number 1, write the temperature using Celsius. That means that I'm using this side, doesn't it? Okay, so be careful with that. Okay, I can kind of zoom in on mine, and you've got a close-up because you have your own book. Okay, put that down. Remember how we do our label. We do degrees Celsius. Okay, it is predicted, look at number 2. It is predicted that the temperature will be lower by 8 degrees next week. 8 degrees Celsius. What is the predicted temperature in degrees Celsius? So whatever you put for number 1, it's going to be 8 degrees lower for number 2. Hint, hint. Once again, degrees Celsius. Number 3, Nancy's thermometer shows that the temperature outside is 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Name an activity that Nancy could do if she knew that it was 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Think about that. Okay, everybody's going to have a different answer there. What could she do? All right, number 4. Gianni paid for a $1.65 pen with 2 $1 bills. We just did this the other day. Okay, so this time looks like you don't have to write out the coins. Okay, so you just need to do your problem. Okay, he has 2 $1 bills. Okay, and he bought the pen. Line up your numbers, do it over here in your white space, and then put your answer over here. Okay, how much change is he going to get back from that? Okay, let's look at number 5. Abdul buys a sandwich for $4.15. He uses a $5 bill to pay. How much change should he get back? Once again, you don't need to write the letters. You just need to solve the problem. Okay? And I have $5 right here. We know how to write that. He spends $4.15. In both of these, you know he's spending money, so you know they're going to be minus. Okay? And once again, you'll come over here and write your answer. You guys got this. All right, so if you want to pause the video right there and then meet me on the back side. All right, here we are on the back side. Mrs. Hagen is not going to help with this side because this is things that you should completely know by now. Please try not to use your times table if you can. If you do use your times table, if you could just come up on top and write used TT. How about that for times table? And Mrs. Hagen will know what that means. Then when I get to the bottom, I'm doing adding or subtracting. Watch your sign. It can be plus or minus. Okay, and remember when I'm doing minus, I only borrow when I need to. I see some of these where you don't have to borrow. Okay, also when I'm doing plus, like on number 11, when I do 8 plus 3, I need to carry my number. Okay, you got this, guys. So, good luck today.